Traders, very nice price action here on the pound CAD. Look at this. I'm looking for further downside. Targets. Target 1 would be down in here. Have a look at these lows to the left. If it continues down, they're definitely valid targets, the lows of these daily candles. If you're going to enter maybe a stop loss above this high, something like that, there's a stop loss. Let's just have a look at this on the 4 hour. We'll go down the time frames and get a bit closer to it. Yeah, okay, so I mean we've got some levels marked up here. See, look at this trend here. It's a beautiful downtrend, guys. Really nice. 4 hour, lower highs, lower lows, break of market structure right here, there, break of structure. Alright, so it's trending nicely. Let's just go down to 30 minute. Alright, I want to see this, something like that. So that could be a potential entry point there. Short position on the pullback, stop above. That's quite a nice 2R target already. Right, and then you could go to town and targeting this previous external range low over here to the left. I don't mind that. There's a 3R, and if we went for this one, there's a 5R, there's a 6R. So my plan of attack with this would be to wait for this on the lower time frame. So I even go down to a 5. I would like to see it pull back. So on the 5M, you want to see a move back. So you grab the fib, pull it from high to low here, and keep an eye on it, right? So we get the move back, and wherever it finds a resistance, fake out, shake out, displacement, retest and fail. Okay, that's the plan. There it is on the 5 minute chart. Go back out to the 15. Right, so just watch this. It trends up on the 5, and then you want to see the rotation. That's my take on the pound CAD, guys. I would love you to comment. That would be awesome. Have a look below and leave your thoughts on this. And yeah, with that, I think I'll leave it at that, and hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.